All right, now that I have my citations created, I'm going to walk you through the process of adding this to your Google Doc, so I can also show you how to properly format the Google Doc. So I am going to copy and paste my citations into my Works Cited page. All right, so now I have my citations on my Works Cited page. But now on step 5, I need to make sure that I have my Works Cited page formatted correctly. So I'm going to look at step A under step 5, and it says that my citation should be left aligned and not centered. Well, because I started typing right after my centered title, my citations were centered as well. So I'm going to fix that mistake. I'm going to highlight it, then I'm going to use the Align feature and select Left Align. Step B lets me know that my citation should also be double spaced. So I'm going to go to the More options, then using spacing, I'll select double. Then I need to make sure that the first line of my citation is left aligned, but all other lines are indented. To do that, I'm going to select all of my citations, then using the blue shapes on the ruler, I'm going to grab the triangle and I'm going to bring it to the 0.5 line. Then I'm going to use the rectangle on top of the triangle and I'm going to bring that rectangle back to the 0 line. Now this shows me that my first line is left aligned, but the second line of my citation is indented. Now, according to step D, I also need to add the accessed on date to the end. So at the end of each citation, I'm going to add accessed on. Now the date is a little bit weird. I need to give the day first, then I provide the month, then I give the year. I also need to add a period after that phrase, and I'm going to do the same to this citation. Then, according to step E, I need to make sure that the citations are not highlighted. Now, my citation is highlighted because I copied and pasted it straight from the citation machine. So to fix that, I'm going to select the one that's highlighted. Then using the highlighter feature here, I'm going to go to the drop-down menu and select None. That takes away the highlight. And then lastly, according to step F, I need to make sure that my citations are in alphabetical order according to the first letter of each citation. So now it says I have Bradford and then I have Red Panda. Well, I know that the B comes before R, so I'm just going to swap the order of these. And now, according to the steps on step 5, I know that my Works Cited page has been formatted correctly. If you have any questions about anything that I've showed you in this video, feel free to send me an email and I'll answer those questions as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, everyone!